Hey y'all, what's going on? This is another amp rack update. I know, I don't care. Anyway, ended up being a new plan on the amp rack altogether. This is a topper piece, so if y'all want to know how it's coming along, topper piece is pretty much done here. This is actually about the material that I was looking for here. Something that's going to be kind of dense with a lot of springy. Ended up, I don't know how many of you guys have Lidl little grocery stores, kind of like Aldi's. This ended up being a Cricut exercise mat, and yeah, I'm gonna bring the picture right. So got those for like, I think they were $4.99 each. Had to grab 2 of them. And if you're wondering what the tape is up here, is because where I had to seam them together. When you wrap this and pull it real tight in vinyl, if you don't put some tape over right there, the seam will show through. And I'm really kind of hoping that seam's not going to show through now. And one thing I needed to do, and I've already done, is once you cover it and you actually get your amplifiers cut out, is we need to try to kind of just edge down, and probably a better way to do it, but you know, we're working with jigsaw, power drill, scissors, razor knife, and a file. So I just simply go in like this right here. I'd already done some of the others, and you can see there we already give ourselves a little beveled outward edge. That way when we wrap the vinyl, it'll kind of come in, and then when the top of the amp is poking up, it will yeah, be our flush appearance. Okay, y'all, yeah, I shared y'all the pain of watching me cut and try to stretch the vinyl out the best I could and all that here on a rainy day in the old carport, but this is it. This is the amp topper. It's going to go on top of the other pieces already in the car. I will show y'all what everything's going to look like when it's in place, but y'all see it's rainy, and we'll get y'all up here. We got a couple little imperfections here and there, not quite as perfect as I wanted it to, but as with the speaker box, I done pretty much in the same manner with the vinyl. What happened with it is, as soon as we get some warmer temperatures and stuff like that, the vinyl will more than likely end up relaxing a little bit, and some of those will actually come out. And this was a really thin vinyl, I think $8.97 a yard from Walmart, but it was the only thing that would actually match the interior color of my car pretty much perfect. So you can see here, once it gets in the car and going where it's going to go, I think I'm going to end up maybe getting, remember we were talking about the seams, and I actually placed some tape across here trying to hide the seam of the 2 pieces of foam that went here. Didn't work, so either this will probably end up relaxing a little bit, or we stick a sticker on that side. Actually I had to notch out, there was a fuse holder here, so that's actually had to get notched out for the fuse holder on this, and this, everything's not exactly in place. And then we ended up with a crease here, so luckily the crease runs right dead center of the front row processor there, so we can maybe do some kind of like sticker design here and here, and that will break up the sea of gray, some kind of something. And real quickly, there was no special tools here. I don't have any special tools, y'all, so this is just kind of showing y'all the finished product and what was used. Obviously we had to have some spray glue, a pair of scissors, basic pair of scissors, nothing fancy. You only need 1 razor knife. I know I got 2 down there. The dang file and jigsaw. That's it. That's all I used. So I don't know. That was it. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking around.